So let's start with the avocado dip. This is a super easy recipe and it has just a few ingredients. We're gonna start with a grated garlic clove. You can grate it, mince it, or use a garlic press. I'm gonna add that to my bowl and we're gonna add our avocado. We're gonna cut around it. Make sure that you use the cutting board and avoid cutting it in your hand just for safety. Good thing to teach your kids when they're learning how to cook. And then we're gonna scoop it into our bowl. Try to get all of that juicy avocado. Well, avocados are not juicy, creamy avocados. With the pit, a lot of people like to use a knife and go like that and move it. I'm gonna try and just press the avocado a little bit. Maybe use the knife to help you move it, take it out from the center, and with your hand you just remove it like that, and we scoop the rest of it. Perfect. Now I had some of the avocado meat on the pit. I'm just gonna cut it out and add it to the bowl. And now I'm gonna add the juice of, I'm doing less, I'm just doing one avocado, and it's small, so I'm just gonna use half of a lime. And I'm gonna add a few spoons. Oh, wait, I have to move it here. And I'm gonna add a few spoons of Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt. And a little bit of a pinch of salt. And you can use the food processor for this, but I think it's fun to have the kids join you in the process. So we're gonna use a masher. I have my handy dandy masher here, and we're gonna start mashing until everything is nice and creamy and well blended. Since we want the dip to be nice and creamy, it's good to make round motions like this with the masher, so to make sure everything is nice and smooth. I'm gonna use my spatula to sort of clean out the avocado dip from the masher. We finished mixing, and I'm gonna serve here in my little cup. And we have vegetable. We have some vegetables here that I cut up. Have some celery. Let's try it. Turned out really good. You can use this also as a spread in sandwiches. You can use it to add to tacos, burritos, or anything like that. And it's a great way to add fiber and to incorporate more vegetables. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you make these recipes at home. Remember to make them your own and use them as inspiration to try new things in your kitchen and involve your children in the kitchen with you. Thank you to Urban Health Plan, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.